Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the device and app you want full screen. Once done, close overlapping windows so nothing blocks the display. Make sure you have the right control. On Windows, use F11 or an app-specific toggle. On Mac OS, prepare plus Control plus F or the green window button. On mobile, know the gesture or app control. Doing this prevents interruptions and speeds the change. Now move directly to the app window you want enlarged. You now enter full screen mode using the method that matches your device. If you're on Windows, press F11 or choose View Right Arrow Full Screen in the app. On Mac OS, click the green button or press plus Control plus F to remove Window Chrome. For media players and browsers, use their menu icon to toggle full screen. On mobile, tap the full screen icon or perform the app-specific gesture. Doing this hides toolbars and system UI, so content uses the entire screen for an immersive view. You finish by adjusting display settings and learning how to exit. To leave full screen, press the same shortcut or ESC and make sure F-key lock isn't preventing F11. If content looks blurry, change scaling or resolution and adjust zoom to restore sharpness. If you see black bars, switch the aspect ratio or use the app's zoom/crop controls. If shortcuts don't respond, check keyboard settings or use the app menu. This covers common fixes, so full screen works reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.